team squad, I think there's nothing we can do now. All that we have to do is to make sure that we manage them well. Fortunately, we have the youth team, so you see almost all our games, we have some of the youth team players in. So the youth team players have been training with us, and I'm sure with time, when we give them the confidence and we have our rhythm in a particular game and we introduce them, they'll be able to play.
Any updates on Albert? He hobbled off. It seems to be a very serious injury. Have you had any information from the medics?
He had a kick direct at the side of the knee. It's swollen and it's very painful. And as at the time I was coming in here, he couldn't walk. He had to be helped to get on board the bus. So it looks serious, but I think we have a competent medical staff that will be able to address it. So I'm sure by Tuesday we'll be able to know the state.
Right, your name in the house, please.
Coach, I'm Eugene Parran. I'm sorry. Looking at the way things are going, we see the supporters are not happy. Coach, are you under pressure?
They are not happy because we are not getting them the results, and we'll get them the results. That's all.
Your name in the house?
Osman Mohammed, Ezra TV, Ezra Radio. I'm coach. O set pieces no. Saying I know see working no because this season Kotoko set pieces be brave, but omuntimi mfa ball no to what them saying I see
We have been training on it a lot at training. It's up to the players to execute it on the field. We've been training on it, different positions at training, but then when we go into the game, it happens in a different way. But I think we need to keep on working on it, and we'll get it.
Biabobi, Eba on Obiabobi, Albert Amuabo, Lord Amuabo, Patrick Esiru Bobi. Or specific player be or you good at that, and I say.
Yeah, it's based on the positions that the set pieces occur. When it occurs at a particular place, we can have 2-3 people whom are competent from that position. So it's up to the players there to agree and decide on who to take it. That's why sometimes at a particular position, if it's direct, you can see Amwa, you can see Team, you can see Samba coming in there. They all have the potential. They've shown it at training. So that's why it happens that way.
Coach, I stand to be corrected. But as at now, I think Kotoko have only out and out one striker in the team, which is Albert, and he's now injured. Can you confirm the news in the media that Kotoko is talking to this guy, Beye, Kwame Poku, Beye, who is a former Kotoko striker, and Kotoko is talking to 1 or 2 strikers. Can you confirm to
whatever happens, you will see it. If it is true, you will see it. It will come to pass. All right.
You playing 3 back of recent, but we saw today we went back to 4 back. Was it a special plan for this game?
Yeah, because of the way that we saw that the opponent was going to approach the game. That was why we went into that strategy.
Coach, my name is Emmanuel from Akoma FM. Albert Samoa, your leading top scorer, just as you said, he was unable to even walk. It looks likely he will not be present for your game against Bichim, and we don't know how many days or weeks he will stay. With his contribution to the team, how negatively will his absence affect the team, and what are you going to do in order to get the team scoring, because he looks more like the one leading the team with his goals in this season so far.
I think we all know his quality. His absence will definitely affect us if it happens that the seriousness is very high, the degree of the injury is very high. But then, as I said earlier on, let's all be patient. We are not medical staff. Let's wait. I'm sure by Tuesday the results will come out and we'll be able to know. But then we all cannot take away the fact that he's an influential player. He's our top marksman. He's our leading goal scorer now, and therefore a very key or elegant player in our team.
My name is Bright Aside from Akoma FM. Coach, I saw you introduce Baba Yaya and Wisdom Basi, and they were playing very, very well. Why didn't you start them? Because they were impressed. Are they going to start the next game or?
Interesting question. Yeah. They are good players, and every team must have quality on the bench. And per the rules of the game, all of them cannot start. So I think if they have come in and they have impressed, it means that we have depth in the team, we have quality on the bench, and it's good for us, the team. So I'm happy, you were happy they did well.
All right, Coach, thank you.